Hello, I'm Eric Peña and I'm here to discuss about multiplication and fraction. And here's my example. 5a squared is b c cubed over by 12x squared y squared z multiplied by 16x cubed y squared and z squared over by 25a cubed b squared c. Una, di-divide mo yung 25 sa 5. Bali magiging divisible siya by 5. Yung 5 magiging 1. And then, yung 25 magiging 5. Tapos, kung napapansin nyo, yung a squared, tapos yung a cube, kakancel. Yan, kakancel nyo po. Tapos, magiging a na lang po siya. Tapos, yung b cube, bali magiging, kunwari, b cube tapos b, bali yung magiging, matitira na lang dito, minus 1, magiging b squared na siya. Yan. Tapos, yung c, wala, cancel na dito yung b. Tapos yung c, cancel. A minus 1, magiging c squared. Yan. Tapos, 12 divided by 12 and 16 divisible by 4. 16 become 4 and then 12 become 3. Tapos, katulad nung ginawa sa a cube tapos a cube and a squared, minus ulit. Yung x squared tapos yung x cube, bali magiging cancel, and then yung x cube, dahil x squared yung minus niya, magiging x na lang siya. Tapos yung y squared and y, bali wala na siyang value. Cancel na lang yan. Yan. Tapos yung z tapos z squared, cancel. Tapos magiging cancel to, magiging z. Yung kanalabasan niya, 4 times 1 equals 4. Tapos, kopya nyo lang yung natira. 4c squared x tapos 5 times 3 equals to 15. AB squared y. Tapos, yan yung magiging final answer. Yan, okay na yan.